Hey guys, you're welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have chaos as Slay Queen Ama Broni's friends twerk and fight over her coffin at her burial ceremony. Yeah, so a video circulating online shows how some people were fighting over the coffin of the Slay Queen Ama Broni, who is known in private life as Jennifer Osei, during her burial service yesterday in Akwitia in the eastern region. Yeah, so in an earlier video, some of her female friends were busily shaking their buttocks on social media at Ama Broni's funeral, which got a series of reactions. Yeah, so instead of people mourning with the family of the late dancer who left behind 2 kids, they were fighting over her coffin, which was very disturbing to watch. In this particular video, when Ama Broni's coffin was being taken out of the car, some of the boys rushed over to carry it on their shoulder, which caused a lot of confusion. Yeah, so heated argument also ensued between some of these guys who nearly exchanged blows over the coffin of the late Akwitia Ama Broni. From the looks of things and those who attended the funeral, it was clear Ama was very popular and had a lot of friends. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.